To download Fi TV to your Apple iPad or iPhone, go to the Apple App Store, indicated by this icon. Then you can use the search function, indicated here, to find the Fi TV app. Using the search keyboard, type in EPB Fi TV, and then the Fi TV app icon will appear. Click on the Fi TV icon and choose Download. When the installation is finished, simply launch the app by clicking Open to begin using Fi TV. Log in to the Fi TV app using your MyEPB account login and password. If you didn't have a MyEPB login already, you should have created one when you ordered Fi TV. After you log in, you will remain logged into the app on that device, much like Netflix or Hulu. If you have trouble logging in or need to change your password, call an EPB representative anytime, day or night, at 423-648-1372.